into bed is shooting down the prince's planes. Senator Graham has said he would shoot down Russian planes bombing Syrian fighters on our side. Would you shoot down a Russian plane bombing American allied fighters and so on?
Well, I would establish a no-fly zone. And I think we just have to.
Well, if they fly into it,
well,
you shoot it down.
The first thing you have to do is establish a no-fly zone, and you don't do that by just sort of declaring it. You work through the process of making sure you work with people who hopefully have the same objective that you do. And if they don't, then you establish the no-fly zone, and you take the consequences of whatever who violates that.
The consequences would be war with Russia.
Would you risk that? I don't think it's a war with Russia any more than Turkey went to war with Russia when Turkey shot down a plane.
Senator Graham, you agree?
These are incidents, not something what we're threatening the motherland. This is a tactical decision within an area that we have an obligation for the refugees, for providing stability to the rebels and an opportunity for the rebels to reconstitute, and making sure that we stop the flow of refugees into Europe and into the United States, to establish a no-fly zone. And Russia is either going to comply with it or not. And if they don't, I think it can be contained to that region.
Okay, we know you agree. Senator Graham, how about you, Governor Pataki? Would you shoot down Russian planes?
I would create the no-fly zone.
Yes.
I would
Yes.
I would create the no-fly zone. And let me tell you something very simply. Putin is a bully. And the most important and effective thing you can do to a bully is punch him in the face. Create the no-fly zone. If Russian planes violate that space, either us or the Turks should shoot them down to keep our word. And I guarantee you that Putin would back off. Bullies, when you stand up to them, back down. We have had, under Obama and under Hillary as Secretary of State, nothing but weakness in the face of Russia, whether it was in the Crimea, whether it was in Ukraine, or now in the Middle East. I would give the Ukrainians lethal weapons so they could defend themselves. I would create the no-fly zone. And if Russian planes flew into it in violation of what we had declared, yes.
Senator Graham.
Yeah, this is an important discussion. The American president is the strongest voice in the world until Obama came along. Now we're just one of many. When you ask people to help you, when you entice Syrians to join your cause, to take down the dictator they hate, to destroy ISIL, which will attack our homeland, and you sit on the sidelines and watch the Russian president kill them, it makes it harder for us to get partners in the future. The point I'm trying to make is we got to mean what we say. And I am begging people to wake up to Syria. The next 9/11 is coming from Syria.
Senator Graham.
It's coming soon. We better do something about it, and I have a plan.
Senator Graham, we've heard here tonight a lot about the fact that you want to send